Namaste and hello. Warm welcome to Dharche Rural Municipality, Gorkha. I am Basanta Shrestha. I am a Nepali tourist guide by profession here in Nepal. Runchet is a remote village which is situated in the Dharche Rural Municipality 2 in the northern part of Gorkha district. This is where I am standing now. The simple reason is that you can find natural beauty here. It is known as Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall in English. On my right, you can find a natural beauty. It is Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall, like I mentioned earlier. So why not? It's a spectacular waterfall. It is also an amazing waterfall. It is also a stunning waterfall. It is also a beautiful waterfall. That I want to use all the terms. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Because I am close to Runchet Khola Jarana or Runchet River Waterfall. It's a truly beautiful. It's gifted by the Creator, and more importantly, I would say the color of water is also beautiful. Oh wow, oh, what a place to be. Do visit Dharche Rural Municipality to Runchet if you are nature lover. You can thoroughly enjoy nature as much as you can. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, bye bye. Namaste.